Everyone, this is Sudha. This video will be about construction of truth table. There are many other videos related to connectives. Please check it out. Videos link will be given in the description box. Let's start construction of truth tables. Question P conjunction negation Q. Here P Q two statements. So total number of truth values here. The formula 2 to the power of n. So n is nothing but number of statements. So here P and Q two statements we have. So 2 to the power of 2. Overall 4 truth values. Okay, in the first column we should write 2 T's and then 2 F's. Okay, in the second column first T then F, T, F. Okay, and negation Q. Negation Q is nothing but if T is there in the Q column, just write F. Okay, F is nothing but false. False is there, then you have to write T. T is there, then you have to write F. F, T. Okay, next here the question is P conjunction negation Q. So here P conjunction negation Q, and this is the truth table related to conjunction. If first statement is true, second also true, then the result is true. Remaining all other cases false. So here we should check 2 T's. First statement is T, second statement is false. So what is the result? False. So write here false. Okay, check here T and T. So P is true and negation Q also true. The result is true. Okay, F false, because from the truth table F is false. Okay, F T is nothing but false. So in this way we should construct truth table for the given compound proposition. Second example, P or Q and negation P. Okay, here are only 2 statements in this compound proposition present, P and Q. P and Q. So here 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of n is nothing but number of statements 2. So overall 4 will be the truth values in the given truth table. Okay, so here first column in this truth table we have P. Write 2 T's then 2 F's. Okay, in the second column write 1 T then second false, T, F, alternate. Okay, next negation P. Negation P, because in this compound preparation we have negation P, so I am taking here negation P. So P is true, then negation P is nothing but false. P is T, negation P is nothing but false. T, if T is there we should write F, if F is there we should write T. T is nothing but true, F is nothing but false value. Okay, next here P or Q, this compound preparation P or Q. Okay, we already discussed about connectives. Please check the video given in the link will be given in the description box. Okay, R is nothing but if two propositions contains false values, then only false. Means here in this case if first statement is false, second also false, then the result is false. Remaining all other cases false. Remaining all other cases its value will be true. Okay, so here first value here P or Q. P or Q. So first statement is true, second also true, so result is true. Okay, first statement is true, second statement is false, so true. First statement is false, second statement is true, so true. First statement is false and second also false, the result is false. Okay, coming to here P or Q and next negation P joined with and symbol. And symbol we already discussed about and symbol, that is nothing but conjunction. Conjunction truth table is if 2 statements are true, then the result is true. Remaining all other cases false. So here you need to consider P or Q. P or Q, this one is P or Q. Next negation P. Okay, these statements are joined with and symbol. Okay, now we should construct 2 columns here. So here and symbol is there. So first is true, second is false, so result is false. First is false, second is true, result is false. First statement is true, second statement also true, so the result is true by using conjunction truth table. T, F, result is F. So in this way we should construct the truth table using the connectives.